living area because again very big kitchen. I love the way is our master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we have reached Atmos Tropical Woods by Atmos Developers. Well, today we are here to take a tour of a super luxurious villa. Yes, I'll take you shortly to a super luxurious 2 to 3 BHK and 2 to 3 floors of villa which looks extremely aesthetic and freedom looking. Well, before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So, Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by the builders. There's no broker who comes into picture. Well, that was information you have to know about Housey. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious villa. Come on. Okay, so now let's discuss on the project overview of this Atmos Tropical Woods. Well, the land parcel of this particular property is 7 acres with 150 villas, which consists of ground plus 2 floors, which is located in Yelahanka, Doddaballapura Road. Well, talking about the villa configuration, we have ground plus 2 and 3 BHK with terrace. Saleable area 2324 to 2370 square feet, 5 feet to 12 feet of indoor courtyard with plantation, 2 split terrace with garden area. So now let's talk about the connectivities. Well, this particular property is just 5 minutes away from Anagana Oasis Spa and Resort. Proximity to tech parks, aero park, hospitals, schools and colleges are very near to this particular property. Just 20 minutes away from Kempegowda International Airport. Excellent connectivity to STRR and PRR. So now let's talk about the amenities. This super luxurious villa gives you 45 plus luxurious modern amenities consisting of clubhouse, gym, multi-purpose court, kids play area, senior citizen gardens and so on. So now we have reached our super luxurious 3 BHK super classy and aesthetic flat. As you can see, this is our beautiful villa that I'm going to take you on a tour. Let's go and check out our villa. So this is our entrance. As you can see, we have a lot of space here at the entrance for you to keep your shoe rack or any decoration items as per your needs and wish. So as in how we go inside, firstly, this is our living area. As you can see, we have this really big, spacious, pretty and a very unique living area because I think first time I have done a lot of home tours. First time I'm seeing you having a mini garden in your living area. As you can see, you have this 4 sections where it's specifically made for you to plant your flowers or do this mini gardening thing inside your villa. That is really super unique and super impressive. With that, as you can see, as in how we go ahead, we have a common washroom here at the living area which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings and a window for good light and ventilation. And you can see towards my right hand side we have this big window. Almost, it's not even a window, it's like, it feels like it's a overall glass wall or a window wall which gives you good light and ventilation and a lot of freshness to your living area. So this is your living area where you can place your sofas and any furnitures. Here we have a TV unit where you can, set up your TV, sit back, relax and chill. Also, I love the way the ceilings are made with very nice lightings and, the wooden touch giving it more aesthetic feels. And one more thing, as you can see, if at all you look up from living area, you see this beautiful sky because the ceiling is of glass. So when it's raining or something, I think this is going to be very, it's going to feel very magical. So this is seriously something, one of the most different kind of villas I have seen. As in how we go ahead, as you can see, we have wooden furnituring staircase made which gives an aesthetic and a very classy look to your living area. With that, coming here, well, this is your dining area here. Again, you have a lot of space. You can easily accommodate a 6 to 8 seater dining table here. And as you can see, right next to dining area is your kitchen. Again, very big kitchen. I love the way it's made. The marble colors, the colors they have used for the storage looks very aesthetic. We have a sink here for your needs, of course, and we have a window for good light and ventilation. We also have a lot of storage space below for you to keep your essentials, and this space can be used for, keeping your refrigerators or ovens and things like that. So I think it's very nicely made. Right next to your dining area, you get this big kitchen, and here we have this small space which can be used as your utility to keep any of washing machines, or just keep here, or just stay here, or just make it like a balcony, completely according to your wish. So this is our dining area. Now let's go and check out our luxurious rooms. Okay, so now let's go and check out our luxurious rooms and see what this villa has for us. Okay, so this is our room number 1. As you can see, we have this beautiful room, aesthetically designed, very premium looking. I love the way it's been designed and decorated with this aesthetic frames and this wooden lightings and this wooden ceilings. Looks very, very beautiful. Also, I love the way that they have planted the real plants here, which is going to give you a natural oxygen in your room. With that, we have these big windows that gives you good light and ventilation. Also, this particular room has a direct access to that area of your house where you can see what are your family members doing. Yes, so this is our room number 1, and here we have this beautiful walk-in closet which gives you this big wardrobe for you to keep your essentials, your items, to store anything that is required for your daily lives. With that, we have a attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and a big window for good light and ventilation. And we also have shower glass partition where you can have your peaceful bath. So this was our room number 1. I really love the way it's made. Very aesthetic, very beautiful, and very big. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. So this is our room number 2, and room number 2 is our master bedroom. Yes. So before we go and check out the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and get registered at thehousey.com and book your free site visit. So don't waste your time, go and book your free site visit now. Now let's go and check out our master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. Very, very well made. I love the way the walls are decorated. I love the way the ceiling is made, and even the wardrobe looks really premium and aesthetic with a lot of storage space. This can be used as your dressing area for you to get ready. With that, we have an attached wash which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, big window for good light and ventilation. And also we have a big shower glass space for you for your shower time, bath time, with lot of luxurious fittings. Also, this particular master bedroom gives you a balcony. Yes, so you have this beautiful and aesthetic balcony over here which has a lot of space to walk. You can completely see the surroundings from here, which oversees lush greenery, a lot of trees, freshness and nature. And also the villa is surrounded with this beautiful garden which can be viewed from here, and I think this is a very peaceful place. I like the way it's so quiet. You just can hear birds chirping, which is like really nice to hear and to feel. So this is our master bedroom. So now let's go and check out our room number 3. So the next room we go is our room number 3. So now we have reached our third room in this super luxurious villa. As you can see, this is our room number 3. Well, the rooms are the replica of each other. The room which you saw below, the same exact room you see here. As you can see, we have a lot of space around the bed to walk around. You have this big windows which giving you such fresh air and a lot of ventilation in the room with a lot of light. As you can see, we have a big window here as well, which gives you a good light, ventilation and a lot of freshness to your room. And also the way the room is built is very aesthetic. the decor, the style, the color contrast looks really premium. Also, we have this walk-in closet over here, which gives you a lot of space to store your essentials. And we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We also have a big window for good lateral ventilation, and we have shower glass partition for your bath. Yes, and this area can be used as your dressing area with this cute little mirror attached. So this is our room number 3. Super luxurious, super stylish, and really premium looking. Now let's go up. So as and how we go up, here we get like a mini garden or a mini terrace. Well, a beautiful place for you to sit back, relax, have a great photo shoot, family time, work break, anything. As you can see, the surrounding, it's just lush greenery everywhere. Lots and lots of trees, lightings, fresh air, and very beautiful and peaceful. So this is the mini garden or mini terrace which we get with this particular villa. Now let's go up. As and how we go up, you get a small utility over here where you can place your washing machine, which is very accessible to your terrace. And here we enter to terrace, which looks very, very, again, very well built. The decor, the plantation, the gardening is being done very beautifully, and I love the way this property is placed in mid of this lush greenery, freshness for you to just sit back and relax. So this was our terrace of this super luxurious villa.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.